everybody, it's me again. How are you? Hey, I was just reaching out today. We had a question about spring maintenance tips. We are back to the rain, and so yeah, what does that mean? So for spring, I always like to take it as an opportunity just to kind of inspect your house and see what winter has provided as far as information goes. So you want to walk around and look at the roof, walk around on the interior of your house, look at the ceiling, see if there's any discolorations, look at the windows and just kind of check around the sills, see if there's any moisture getting in anywhere, because after our long winter of rains and some snow, you're going to be able to see moisture penetration more likely than you would at any other time of the year. You want to check the flow on your downspouts. If you've got downspouts like most of us do that just spill into the yard, you want to make sure that that's getting away from the house and it's not just pouring on the foundation and leaking into the crawl space or in the basement. And then you want to check for moisture everywhere else. So you're going to walk around the exterior of your house, and depending on what siding you have, you might have wood lap siding, which is real common on our old houses, or you might have hardy plank siding, which is also lap siding, horizontal siding. Or you could have cedar shake siding. Any of those sidings, you're going to want to look for any penetration of water, and you're going to also want to look for just any like cracked or peeling paint or anything like that you think, oh, this doesn't look good. Anything that looks abnormal to the rest of the siding is something you might want to like take a picture of and have a contractor come out and check it out. The other thing is caulk. So wood often cracks and people often just fill it with Bondo sometimes, caulk sometimes, all kinds of stuff. You want to check all those things out and just make a note of it. I mean, some of these things probably won't even need to be fixed, but you're going to want to watch it. So it's great to just take a picture of it and then like use your finger as a judge of the size of the crack, for instance, and then just take a picture of it and look at it again next year. It's a lot of this is just being diligent and looking to see what's going on with your house and just watching it. I check and look at all the corners of your basement, see if there's any moisture in that. And then I also, if you have a dishwasher or a water hookup on your fridge, I pull those out or look under the sink to just check and see if there's any moisture coming in from there. So pretty much spring is all about water and not letting it get into your house or into your crawl space or into your basement. If you see anything that you're wondering about, give me a call. I'm happy to recommend professionals. I have some great professionals. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you find in your little walkabout, and I'll look forward to talking to you soon. See you next week. Bye-bye.